Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to share this super easy Valentine card with you guys. And I created this Valentine card using a card sketch by My Favorite Things, I believe. I found this card sketch on Pinterest and it's MFTWSC183. Now I'm showing you guys this cardstock that I'm going to be using, part of a card kit, are a paper kit by Echo Park Paper Company. I got this paper from Tuesday morning, and I'm just kind of flipping through, showing you guys it is a double-sided designer paper with a Valentine theme. So I will be making 2 cards today using this paper and this super easy card sketch. And so yeah, just wanted to show y'all all the pretty prints in this paper pack. It is awesome, and this video would have actually been a lot longer had I did the talk through that I was doing initially. So I started off with this sheet right here. It has the X's and O's on one side and the polka dots on the other side. And I'm going to be using a regular piece of pink cardstock from my stash to mat the designer paper on. So I am going to start off by cutting all of my paper pieces, and I'm using that card sketch as my guide. So the pink cardstock, I will be matting that to fit an A2 size card, which is the 5.5 by 4.25 inch card. So I'm matting everything to where the designer paper will leave just a little bit of the pink border around each piece. So that's how I'm doing that. And here I am just rounding the corners on this piece of cardstock. If you guys follow this card sketch, you'll know, because I cut out a lot of the video. It was super long, but basically you can see what I'm doing. I cut out some little circle from my circle dies to go on this card. And yeah, I'm going to use one side of that double-sided paper, which is the X's and the O's, and then I'm going to use the polka dots on one of the other cards. So each card will just look different only by the designer paper. So this was a super easy way to make a few Valentine cards without having to put a whole lot of thought into it. And card sketchers are really fun way to get your creative juices flowing, and also to use as a starting point for whatever project you're working on. So you don't have to really copy these card sketches to a T. I mean, you can, but just make sure you vary a little bit from the original card sketch. These card sketches are made up and posted on Pinterest by other people, so you don't really want to just take their idea all out. I did not veer too far away from this original sketch. I changed it up just a little bit with the embellishments that I added. So it just makes it really fast and really simple. And this is just easy card making, using your dies, your paper, your glues, and whatever embellishments you have. So here I've cut out some 1/2-inch strips of paper to make little flags to go across my card design, and I'm going to actually stamp the sentiment on these little strips. So I'm just cutting the little flag in here by making a slit in the middle and then cutting the edges. So easy peasy. And I'm using this stamp set by TPC Studios, and this is an old stamp set that I had in my stash for a long time, and I'm just using this little sentiment that says hugs and kisses, and I'm going to use that on both cards. So these cards I'm actually making for some of my coworkers. So I really, I like my coworkers and I enjoy my coworkers, but I didn't really want to put "I love you" on a card that I'm giving out to my coworkers. I don't know, but so I just put hugs and kisses. I think that is a little bit better to put on just a cute little Valentine that you want to give out to your friends and your coworkers. So that's why I chose hugs and kisses. It's easy. It can go to anybody and everybody, and it just doesn't have that, I don't know, super intimate feel of saying I love you to somebody, unless, you really do. But yeah. So I'm just going to use my liquid adhesive, and I am just going to put that right going through the center where that little circle die was cut out. And I mean, it's just like the card sketch. So I'm just going to bump it up a little bit by adding some little extra embellishments. Right here, I am adhering those card panels down to my A2 size card that I cut from some 110-pound white cord cardstock that I have in my stash. Yeah, so that's what that is. And here are some little foam glitter hearts that I got from Joann's for less than $1. So I am further embellishing this card with these, and also some red sequin. And that is pretty much going to do it for this card. Just super easy peasy, a really, really good project. You can even create these cards with your kids, or if you're a teacher with your students. Just really super cool. I love using card sketches just as a starting point to help me, if I want to do something fast and easy. It doesn't have to put like a whole lot of thought into it, because basically somebody else has done all the work for you by creating the card sketch if you didn't create it yourself. So anyway, guys, I really want to thank you all for watching my channel, for liking my videos, for commenting, and for subscribing. And if you're not already a subscriber, please click that link below to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Here is the finished cards. I really, really love these cards. Cute, super simple, super easy. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that. But yeah, thanks to MFT, whoever created that card design. I love this little card design. But yeah, bye.